Hi, I'm Dhyan Blore from Natural Splendour Gardening and Horticulture, and I'm here to talk about sheltering plants in dry times. By sheltering plants, we help reduce their water consumption. When hot, dry wind passes over leaves, plants' water use is greatly increased. By reducing wind speed, we help provide a more sheltered environment for plants. Some plants will be especially prone to drought stress, especially if they come from high rainfall areas and have large, soft leaves. Gardeners may also have plants that are especially precious due to rarity or sentimental value. To reduce drought stress, shelter these plants by constructing a temporary wind shelter using hardwood stakes and hessian or shade cloth stapled to the stakes. Temporary fencing such as chicken or mesh wire with hessian or shade cloth attached can also be useful to shelter plants during the hottest months. Place the shelter so as to protect from hot northerly winds. Where possible, shelter potted plants from hot westerly winds in late spring and summer. Keep potted plants well mulched and group potted plants together for the most efficient watering. Individual plants can be shaded with hessian or shade cloth using a TP of bamboo stakes or 2 crossing wire arches. The shelter material can be secured with pegs. Row covers are an effective way of sheltering herb and vegetable gardens. Hooped arches can then be covered with shade cloth to reduce heat and wind to crops. Bird netting can also be used to shade plants, and it really helps reduce hot, drying winds. Just make sure when you buy bird netting that you buy the small aperture bird netting, which is more wildlife friendly.